Stop talking.
All right, welcome everybody. I'm going to give a little speech, a little informational speech on the farming practices of ants. Did you know that leafcutter ants are some of the smallest farmers? They actually are the smallest farmers, actually. They cultivate their own food by growing fungus on fresh leaves. Interesting fact, they actually don't eat the leaves themselves. They chew it up and spit it out, and then their special digestive enzymes help to grow the fungus, and it has like antibacterial properties. And it even rivals some of the agricultural precision of humans. First, let's go over some of the farming behavior. Like I said before, leafcutter ants cut leaves to grow fungus, which is their primary food source. They actually are in a symbiotic relationship. One cannot live without the other at this point. That fungus only exists within that confine of the ant farm. Like I said before, ants use bacteria to produce antibiotics, which also protects the fungus from other fungi growing. So I guess like a weird kind of pesticide, you think about it. And then there is the social organization of these ants. Colonies have specialized roles, like most animals that live like that, including bees and mainly any eusocial insects. So they have workers, soldiers, and then obviously the queen. The queen is the sole reproductive ant in the whole entire colony. Every other ant is her daughter, except when they have males, and those males are born with wings, and then they go out on a nuptial flight and try to mate with other flying queens before they find a place to start a colony. And then there's obviously the soldiers, and everyone can guess what they do. They just defend the colony from predators. And then there is the ecological importance. Ants recycle plant matter, they aerate soil, and they distribute nutrients. Even though they're super tiny, they can move up to, or eat up to about 25% of the plant matter in a given ecosystem. And people walk past them without even thinking twice. It's pretty interesting. They influence the growth of plants and maintain ecosystem balance, kind of like a predator-prey kind of relationship, but with plants it's the same deal. So yeah, they're very, very interesting. And colonies can measure in the millions. And they've been farming millions of years before humans ever did. So, are we copying them, I suppose? But like I said before, leafcutter ants exhibit extraordinary farming behavior, a social organization, and ecological significance. They're very important to keep around, and they help improve the overall health of forested ecosystems. And that is a little bit about leafcutter ants. Thank you very much. 4 minutes.